Good morning. Let's get this day started. Well, what's up, you guys? I'm at the BART train central. My train leaves in 2 minutes, and I'm in Antioch. I'm a little bit scared right now, to be honest. I don't know what's gonna happen or where I'm gonna go, where I'm gonna stay, but I have confidence and I am positive, and I'm gonna put it out there. I will find somewhere to stay tonight so I don't have to just sit down and cry somewhere. Alright, you guys, I'll see you in San Francisco.
Another boardwalk, out of the sun. Another boardwalk, we'll be having some fun. Another boardwalk, people walking above. Another boardwalk, we'll be falling in love. Another boardwalk, boardwalk. Thank you.
Here at the iconic Pier 39. Go a little bit further. I'm headed towards the Golden Gate. I'm probably gonna hit the Golden Gate today. Maybe just skate across it for legend's sake. Oh, it's so cool. It's a really nice day in San Francisco. It's like 70 degrees outside. It's nice and warm. There's my dude over there. Bay Bridge over there. This is the back end of it. Nobody walks over here, so it's actually the greatest place to walk through or skate through in this particular situation. So, I'm getting closer to Casey Park. I stopped at Safeway, grabbed some nectarine and cold brew coffee. Slightly dying out here, slightly afraid about where I'm gonna stay tonight. I have no clue. So, we'll find out soon. At Casey Park now, gonna bust open my Lucky Jack cold brew, nitrogen infused. Golden Gate Bridge, beautiful water. Let's chill. We'll get a time lapse.
Freaking beautiful or what? We'll get
She already said yes. Well, today has been quite eventful. I've met many people, saw many beautiful things, and I'm finally at my destination, the end point of today's journey. Well, the end point before the actual end point, but the destination, the final destination of here it is. I'm here at Christopher. This is where National Park. Woo! Yeah. Let's walk into the park and see what we find here, huh? I still haven't found a place to stay. Slightly terrified still. Dude, just want peace and love. And love. It's really beautiful here though. Look at, it's gorgeous. Take some pictures here, huh? Got a fresh view of the Golden Gate right now. Check that bad boy out. I'll tell you what, you guys, the most exhausting part about not knowing where you're gonna sleep and traveling is not knowing where you're gonna sleep. It like gasses you, man. It's not easy to be in a creative mode when you just have no fucking clue where you're gonna go. Being in a position like this makes it like really, really, really hard. Like I feel like all of today I was just kind of in like a drained mode where I wasn't really able to like really get into making this video today. So I'm kind of sorry for that, but understand that it's just like the stress of not knowing. Yeah. So I'm probably gonna head back towards the city soon. Maybe I'll hit up a friend. I really don't know.